In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and delete apps from your app library on your iPhone. First, find the app you want to remove in the app library. Long press on the app until a menu appears. Tap on Remove App, then select Delete App. This will uninstall the app from both your home screen and app library. If you don't see the Delete app and can only remove the app from the home screen, it might be due to restrictions on deleting apps. Here's how to turn off those restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Open iTunes and App Store Purchases. Enter your screen time passcode if prompted. Tap on Deleting Apps and set it to Allow. Now, you should be able to delete apps completely. Just make sure to select Delete App to remove it from both your home screen and app library. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.